एक कुत्ता था जिसका नाम था टॉमी। एक दिन वह बहु भूखा था। अचानक उसे एक रोटी मिली। टॉमी रोटी को लेकर नदी के पास जाने लगा। नदी के पानी में उसे अपनी परछाई दिखाई दी। उसने अपनी परछाई को दूसरा कुत्ता समझा। टॉमी ने सोचा, उसे डराकर मैं वह रोटी छीन लेता हूँ। उस कुत्ते को डराने के लिए टॉमी जोर से भौंका। मुंह खोलते ही उसके रोटी नदी में जा गिरी और बह गई। टॉमी को अपने लालच के कारण भूखा ही रहने पड़ा। Now let's see the meaning for this. Okay, I have already read the story in Hindi for that. I'll tell you the meaning for that. एक कुत्ता था means there was one dog. His name was Tommy. जिसका नाम था टॉमी। एक दिन वह बहुत भूखा था। He was very hungry. One day he was very hungry. अचानक उसे एक रोटी मिली। Thank God he got a roti. Okay. टॉमी रोटी को लेकर नदी के पास जाने लगा। He just took the roti in his mouth and he went near the river. He saw his reflection in water. Okay. नदी के पानी में उसे अपनी परछाई दिखाई दी। उसने अपनी परछाई को देख दूसरा कुत्ता समझा। This dog saw the reflection of his own and thought that it's a different dog. Okay. Tommy ने सोचा, that means he was just thinking. He thought that it's a different dog. उसे डराकर मैं वहाँ रोटी छीन लेता हूँ means he thought that he'll make the other dog to get scared and he will just take the roti and run away. उस कुत्ते को डराने के लिए टॉमी जोर से भौंका. He just wanted to make the other dog to get scared and he started barking. He just opened his mouth and he started barking because he forgot that there is a roti in his mouth. Okay, so he just opened his mouth and he started barking and the roti fell in the river. मुंह खोलते ही उसके मुंह की रोटी नदी में जा गिरी और बह गई. Okay, the roti fell in water, and if it falls in river, what will happen? It will go along with the water, right? It's a running water, right? So you cannot hold it. So at the end, टॉमी को अपने लालच के कारण भूखा ही रहने पड़ा. Means because of his reflection, he was supposed to be hungry for the whole day. This is what is the story.